Did you notice the sentiment score for space is currently at plus 0.47, significantly above the historical average? This upward spike suggests that there's a fresh wave of excitement in the space sector, likely driven by recent breakthroughs or missions. With the momentum flatlined at plus 0.00, it seems the community is buzzing, but hasn't yet acted on this sentiment. Our API returns rich insights including sentiment scores, momentum data, and semantic clusters, allowing you to analyze the current vibe around any topic in real time. Imagine integrating this into your trading bot to capture shifts in sentiment before others do. You could set thresholds that trigger alerts or trades when sentiment reaches a certain level, ensuring you're ahead of the curve. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.